Finally. Welcome back. I might have a cold today. YouTube was being big dumb and didn't want to start streaming. So I've already started on something because nobody likes watching me, build a project at the start. So this is kind of like a 2D terrain generator, maybe for pathfinding. I don't know. So I'm just gonna do new node X, new node Y. So it's basically how it's going to work is it's going to create a bunch of nodes and it's going to connect those nodes with lines. So basically to get the nodes random it has to be math dot random times, and then the width is 1325, but we don't want that because I'll go too far, so just 1200 for now. This one will be math dot random times 500, which is 100 less than the height. Now I can just do a line from new node X, new node Y. Okay, now we need one for the past. Here, I'm just gonna do 100. Okay, got that so far. Except they're all coming off of 100, 100, not from each other, which is a slight issue. So to fix that, I'm going to create a new variable. So these will just mark the last nodes. Okay. That's going to be last. Oh wait, this has to go underneath. So last. Oh wait, no, it's past. Node X equals past node Y equals new node Y. So I'm going to explain this real quick. Basically what happens is it goes through, it creates a line, and then after it creates the line, it marks that, which is after it. And since it's after it, it won't update with all the other things. So it's a node from the past, basically. And it allows us to pass through more nodes in the future. Pass node X. Pass node Y, and boom, bada, bada, bing, bow, we got a line. As you can see, it's very, fun. So, hello Salty Pickles, welcome. One sec, how to generate a number between... I remember that, no, okay, that's a complete lie. I just forgot the formula. There we go, that's what it is. Okay, don't judge me, okay? I'm not good at remembering formulas. Basically, what this is going to do is let, this one's going to be let next node X equals, but first I just need to, next node Y equals, okay, I'm just gonna cut that real quick. Okay, I'm just gonna make a new line here and comment it out, okay. So, right now we have a simple thing, but I want it to not just fly all over the place. I want it to go in a steady line. What am I coding? Oh, I'm coding a terrain generator. Okay, I'm gonna make this black. Yeah, there we go. So, this right here is going to need to go into that. This is going to go into that. So now I just need to make this max x, min x, and then min x. Then I'm pretty sure you can tell what this is. Min y. Okay, great. Now, I think I can delete that now. Let min x let min y equal 0, let max y. Okay, great. So now they should all just be up in there. Also right here, I'm going to need to do, let's see, min x equals math dot, or actually no, I'm just going to do plus equals 100. Okay, now it's over there, and I can do min y plus equals 100. There we go. It's kind of not really working. It's working better. Okay, what does the terrain generate? Okay, basically how it's going to work is it's going to generate a bunch of nodes, and it needs to connect those with lines, and I just need to focus on getting it connecting perfectly. Equals math.random times 10. Math.random times 10. So now, hopefully, there we go. Slight issue. Just a very slight one. Yeah. And they are still overlapping, which is an issue. Past node X, new node Y. Oh, that's the minimum. I need a maximum. Okay. Their minimum of 100, maximum of 300. Give him some randomness. And there we have absolute hell. Let's try not to have absolute hell. I never thought generating random lines would be this hard. Oh, that's why. Max. Oh, nope, it's working. It's not going back at all. All it took was a maximum. Easy. $50, 100, 100. There we go. Now, as you can see, it's looking at, yeah, it's looking a lot like terrain, right? If I turn that up to 100, as you can see, it just goes right over. And if I just make like a set interval, and boom, bada ba bing, you have lag. Probably actually shouldn't do that because that would be creating a for loop, or that would be creating a set interval. Ooh, ouch. Requires not defined. Why does that always happen? That annoys the crap out of me. It's a thing with Visual Studio. Please work. Any error messages? I hope not. Okay. Not sure. 1 second. Thing. Okay, so new project because that one's kind of failing. Okay, back, coming, terrain. Yeah, I always ditch projects that I think, yeah, can't work. Okay, back to this. Okay. So, nobody likes me setting this up, but CC.js. Okay, I'm just going to... Okay, index.html. I'm just going to speedrun this. height is equal to 623. Outline none. User dash select none. Body margin. Oh crap. Margin 0 pixels. Oh, there you go. Oh my. No, temporarily blocking you. Okay, margin equals 0 pixels. Background color is aqua. Dot canvas. Okay, let me just open up my index.html. Yeah, you can't just message me like that in the middle of a stream saying that thing. Class equals canvas, background color, no. Interesting. Also kind of, I don't understand why it's going over the edge. 20, 123. Okay, nice seeing you again. Okay, so we need this to show up, which I'm kind of having a hard time with. Canvas background color equals. So it's not a class error. I'll relink it. Link rel equals style sheet href equals styles. There we go. And back here. Yep, no errors, I'm guessing. Yep, no errors. I'm fairly confused right now. But it's not reading my body. It's not reading my background color for body, so that means it's just not reading. Oh, why did that go automatically? I can almost confirm that I linked it correctly. Okay, bam, it's there. Transparent area. Okay, we got a blue background. Okay, nice. We're gonna keep it at a nice gray color, sexy gray. Am I right? This is sexy gray. It's just down here. Bam, sexy. Okay, so now we're going to go into here. We're gonna have function update. Function move. Oh, move. Okay, so I need a line. Actually, I'll start with circles first. Circle 100, 100, size 30, blue. Interesting. Oh wait, I'm just not calling the function. Sad. Update. Bam, circle, yay. I'm gonna make this like antique white. Okay, now it's white. So now basically what this is kind of weird to explain, but I might be able to do it. But first I need to make a global variable. Let Okay, let new node x and this is going to be node x, it's going to be node y. And now it is in the non-existent center. Oh, that's why. C dot height. Boom, now it's in the center. I know, trust me, it does not look like it's in the center. I always say the same thing. Okay, so now we need to get it to pick a random area. So, create a new thing. Okay, then it's going to be next move equals math dot steal math dot random times, let's say, 4 things for each direction. Basically what this is, it is changing this variable to and then it's creating a new number, random, multiplying it by 4, then rounding it up. So now I need to have a bunch of if statements because I'm too lazy to use cases. If next move is equal to, let's just go with 1 for our first case. Else if next move is equal to 2. Else, I'm pretty sure you get the gist of it. Next move is equal to 3. And then finally, else if next move is equal to 4. So now we have all of our cases here. Just need to open this one. Okay, great. So now, I mean, it doesn't actually do anything yet, but we need move, set, timeout. So that is how fast we are moving. Okay, it's going to be move, and it's going to be node x minus equals 20 x, and this is going to be y. So this is y. This is y plus. This is y plus. Boom, bada, bing. Please work. Okay, not working. Let's see if I have an error. I doubt I actually have an error right here. So it's, yeah, it's not that. So update goes through. Node x, node y, move, set timeout. Okay. Oh yes, that's why I need to have update at the bottom. And let's see if it works. Yay, there we go. We got a yeah, we got a moving boy. You see him? We got a moving boy. Let me make a new variable called speed. And I'll just do let. Here, I'll put it at 100 so he moves really quick. This is kind of nice. He's kind of just chilling around there. No, don't go out, buddy. No. Okay. I'm gonna have an if statement for when if he dies. If node x is less than 0 or node x is greater than if it is greater than c dot width. If node y is less than 0 or node y is greater than c dot height. Okay, great. That's going to have it's going to have node x. I'll just have alert. I don't know, if I do alert then it's going to go really badly. I'll just have a console.log dead. So console.log dead, console.log dead. Okay, great. I'm set my speed to 10, so he is moving super quick. There we go. Good to know it works. Okay. It's really satisfying to just see him go. If I make this 20, it should start connecting. Okay, that looks really ugly. What happens if I make this 6? That looks weird. Okay, I mean we got a little snaky boy moving around. Okay, so now I'm going to have this if searching is equal to true. I'm basically making an AI right now. So if searching is equal to true, let searching equal true. So it should still work. There we go. So now I need to have if food X is this is interesting because I want to remove food when it's done, but I can't do that because he's there. But it's easy to fix, but I don't have the trail. If I just do refresh right there, then he can just move around freely. See, I mean, yeah, he's moving around fine. So if food X, or actually first let food X equals 100, let food Y equals 100. Okay, so again, slight issue. We need this to move by tens, which means that this needs to be 20, and this needs to be 20. There we go. I guess, yeah, I mean, he's a big boy now. I'm going to move his size down to half again. There we go. And, our AI would like to eat an apple. So, it's going to be food. And it's going to be red, just so we can see it. So, bam, it should be over there. Great. So right now he's searching. I'm actually going to put it a bit closer to him. He's not actually going to find it yet, because, yeah, that. So if food X is less than or equal to, node X interesting. If it is less than or equal to node X plus, let's just go with his range to smell things is 100. Then alert. Oh wait, crap, that's going to give me a ton of alerts. I should probably not do that. Did I just alert spam myself? Okay, good. I didn't completely do that. I need to have and so and this needs to be greater than or equal to, and food X is less than or equal to node X minus 100. Console.log hi. Let's open up the console. Interesting. Food X is, so as long as food X is greater than node X minus, this one needs to be plus, now it should work. Come on, just move over to the food, buddy. Come on, you got this. Yay, it worked. Okay, now we just need to do the same thing for Y. So let me just add a little section. and food y is greater than or equal to node y, and food y is less than or equal to node y plus 100. Come on, move over to the food. Come on, you got this. Okay, you got this. Okay, you can do it. Just no, don't go that way. Please, just move over this way. Okay, you got this. Come on, you're moving it. Hey, there we go. Okay, so we got that. So I'm going to that actually worked. So I'm going to make this node color. So node color is just going to let us see like what's happening. Let node color equals, and it's going to be node color equals blue, and else node color equals white. Okay, so that's basically going to make it so if he's near the food, he's going to turn blue. If he's not near the food, he's going to be white. Come on, you got this. Just move your butt over to the food, okay? It's just not that hard. You just, no, oh my god, okay. Child. Yes, he's doing it. He's in range of the food whenever he turns blue. And he's turning blue a little bit. Please. Yes, you're doing things. You're doing beautiful things, child. Okay, so now I need to have something that completely overwrites it. I'm gonna have this as random move. So that's what that's going to be. That's going to randomly move him. Random move. Okay, it's still gonna work. Okay. So, but that's only if searching equals true. If that is not true, I need to do searching is equal to false. So now, as soon as he gets over there, he should just stop dead. Okay, just... Okay, I need to handicap him even more. 550. He didn't turn blue, exactly. You're supposed to turn blue, my man. You're not blue. Oh, it's because it doesn't call it again. Okay, so now we need to add a new variable. Let in range equals false. Equals true. So now he's in range of the food. So if in range is equal to true, if, okay, here's where I can take this. If food X is, let's say, greater than, or, oh no, if it is greater than, node X, then node X minus equals 10. How okay, his move speed is 10. Got it. That. Else if food X is less than node X, then he will move to the right. That's interesting. Is less. Very interesting. Okay, food X is not defined. That's an issue. Ah, there it is. Yay. Now keep this at plus. Put that at minus. Now it should just... Interesting. Another error, please no. Okay. This is a lot more difficult than I thought. I just need a simple pathfinding, though. So if food X is greater than node Y or node X, then it's going to be, so this should be plus, and I'll just copy this. If food Y is greater than node Y, okay, now we just need to have, we need a new function to update it. What should we call this function? Let's call it draw. So function draw to be update, because we can't have a direct update loop. Ah, yes, there we go. Okay, let's see what it is. Okay, never mind. We exceeded the maximum call size, which is a slight issue. So we need to have a set timeout and speed. And there we go. Yes, let's go. He finds the food. Let's go. Okay, I'm gonna put the food before him. Make it a little bit bigger. Okay, so as soon as he locks onto the food, he immediately starts going over there. Hello, it's George. Welcome to the stream. Oh my gosh, I'm so happy that worked. So if I make that 300, 300, if he gets close enough, he will just go straight to it. I mean, chances are that he's not gonna get that close, but if I put this to like 500. Okay, come on, you got this, man. You can just like move up a little bit, please, for the demonstration. Like, there you go. It's beautiful, isn't it? It's incredible. Yay. Okay, so I'm also going to have a let node range. So this is going to give him adaptive range. So if it is then range node range. So basically this is me just going through and changing it all to a variable, which just makes it exchangeable, which makes it easier. Yay. So if I made his range 1000, he will just go straight to it, you see? If I made his range like, yeah, but if his range is 1000, that means he can smell the food from 1000 miles away, or 1000 pixels away. Okay, and it's going to be, I need to make a new if statement. So do this. If food X is equal to node X, and food Y is equal to node Y. So this just makes it so I can make it in range equals false. It's going to be new food. Function new food is going to be food X equals math.ceil. I spelled ceil wrong. Math.ceil. Math.random times, let's see. I got this. What would it be? Times 1200. Sure. And then food Y is equal to math.ceil math.random times, and then the height will be 500. Great. So now if he sniffs that out here, I'm just going to set this to 1000 so we can go really quick. And his speed is going to be 1000. Oh, I know, 1000 just makes him slower. His speed is going to be 10, which actually just makes him extremely fast. I know, it's weird. Great. Now, there we go. As you can see, he is a bit on a sugar rush, if I do say so myself. So that second one, basically what's happening is I just need to do there times 10 times 10. Now it just needs to be a multiple of 10. There we go. You see this? God, I love this AI. Whee! This is fun. Oh, it's too far away now. Oh, okay, so now I need to have searching equals true. So it should work. The ball's too far away, he should just start searching again. Okay. Where are you going? Where are you going, buddy? Here, let me set your range to 500, bud. Okay, there you go. There you go. Oh my god, you're a beast. Okay, now he's searching because he's not blue. No, don't die, please. If you go out, you die. Don't do it, please. No. There we go. You see this? We have a pathfinding AI. Incredible. No. Okay, I can actually make him stay away from the edges. So, let me just make his speed back to that. Oh gosh, I love this. I'm gonna call it one second. I need to call him a name. I'm gonna call him. Hmm. Tim. There we go. It's Tim. That's it. Timm. Timmy. Okay. So, let's see. We need to go to our def function right here. So, if node y is than 0 plus 100, I'm gonna make it 50. And if it was minus 50, crap, no, I actually need to remove that. So now it's just that, and it's going to be node x plus equals 10. Yay. And it's going to take searching equals false. It's going to be, and it's going to be in save mode. So that's going to be node color equals red, which is going to be a save mode, and it's going to be in range equals, actually I'm going to keep it in, actually no, yeah, in range equals false, else if node x is greater than or just greater than, so it's going to be 0 plus 50. This one is going to be c dot width minus 50. So 50 is going to be his watch rate. And right here, I just need to make a new area. Be node x minus equals 10 equals red. Else, and it's going to be node color is equal to white. And then searching is going to equal true and true. So he should not go near the edges like ever. Well, the x and y edges. I still need to do the y edges, which is kind of tragic. Okay, so I can basically just copy this and replace everything. So node y is greater than, or is less than, okay. Searching was false. Node y c dot height there we go. Now, as you can see, if you would like to just, okay, speed it up. Wee, bonk. Oh, so now, yeah, he went too close there. There seems to be a slight bug in his teleportation abilities. That's an interesting bug. Uh, very interesting. Hmm. Let me just make it so if he is anywhere near that, then he will. That's what I tried to do first. Okay, please. Okay. Yeah, there we go. It doesn't work now. What if I make his range? Okay, now it's just making his speed really high. Hmm. What if I make this 10 instead of 50? Plus equals 10. 10. So he still has room. It's just less likely for him to get caught up in that. Okay, I think I'm just gonna, no, there we go. Actually, no, I need to make a new dead function. Ow, I hit my elbow on my desk. Okay, so we're at 81 lines of code, and we already have an AI that searches around, and whenever he finds something, please, no, go over this way. Don't die. Please, kiddo. Please. There we go. Isn't he incredible? I know, right? And if I remove this refresh, one sec, where is it? Where is it? If I remove this refresh, you can see the path that he takes. As you can see, that this is the path that he takes. You see this? Yeah, there we go. Yeah, this kind of satisfying. This is nice. This might be the most fun AI that I've ever done. Okay. So if I just turn his range up to 2000, which is enough for anything, it should just be a bunch of blue lines. Yes. This is the future, boys. You gotta admit, this is awfully satisfying. Okay, I'm wondering if there's a way that I can make a background where he is. Here, let me just turn this down. Technically, his real range would be 200. But I need to add refresh back in. Okay, so I could create an array. Okay. I mean, he's definitely going, and he's going pretty fast. So I'm gonna make a new if statement. Okay. Please don't have. Okay. If node x is less than 0, or node x is greater than c dot width, if node y is less than 0, pretty sure I understand this, it's just, or if he is greater than canvas dot height. So this will just be a depth thing, and it will be node y equals c dot height divided by 2. Node x equals c dot width divided by 2. Okay, since this is my test subject, he should be okay. Every time he reaches the end, he's just going to fly back in the middle. Okay, come on, you got this. He's very, random. Okay, why don't I speed him up a bit? If I put this to 1, he's going to be lightning speed. That's not even a joke. He's literally, that's fast. He moves 1 time every millisecond. And I guarantee you, if I went to Task Manager, this would be taking up a lot of my CPU. There we go. Yeah, he's pretty smart now. There we go. So, basically, next up, we need to, let's see. We're going to need to create a point system. So, I'm going to start by using my text function. Text, and it's going to be 100, 100. I'm pretty sure this is font size, 30, text, Arial, black. There we go. We got text, Arial, and black. Okay. I'm just going to do what is that? Font family is Sego. Okay, I guess Arial's just better. Arial and 40 and is going to be, let's see, white. And it's going to be on the y-axis only 20. Okay, that's not enough. 40. There we go. And it is going to be 300. Okay, great. And it's going to be points. Okay, great. I need to make a new variable called points. Let points equal 0. And every time it does that, it's going to be points plus plus. Okay, great. It's going to be points plus. So every time he reaches that, there we go. It goes to 1. I could just leave this on overnight and see how he does. That would be kind of funny. Here, so I'm just going to turn that to 2000 and this to 1. So as you can see, he's super speed now. So that's about as fast as he can ever get points, unless I turn this to like -1, which is actually impossible. Oh, I thought that was impossible. Yeah, it only registers at 0, so one is. There we go. We got our zippy man. This is just satisfying. He's already at 50 points. What a god. Bonk. He's doing really well. Okay, what if I made it so it only refreshes when he has new food? Okay, one sec. So watch this. If I remove refresh in that, which means that it's just going to be like that, which I know is horrible. But whenever he gets new food, it is going to... Ready, ready, ready. There we go. It shows his path. This is just a lot better in my opinion. Okay, so there we go. You can see his path now, which is kind of nice. This is really... Oh, I also need to change the stream name to coding stream. Path finding AI. There we go. Easy. So, there we go. We got Timothy here, and his points are getting kind of thick here. He's just, his life is all about his food. So, I need to add some obstacle for him. I need to add an enemy. So, let, enemy. For this to be the perfect AI, he not only has to gather food, he needs to avoid the bad guys. So, let enemy equals 0, enemy y, and the enemy is only going to pop on when, one sec, so just let enemy, oh wait, no, I got it. So the enemy is only going to pop on when he has its first food, because it's only fair like that, so this is just going to be enemy, sure, I mean, that's not actually going to do anything right now, because I'm not using it in any sense. So, now, let's see, in function update, I need to space some of this crap out. So in function update, it needs to be down at the bottom. If, oh wait, no, first I actually have to draw the enemy, of course. So first of all, I'm gonna change the food color. What's a good color? Orange. There we go. His food is now orange. So let's see. This is going to be circle, enemy, X, enemy, Y, 20, red. So it's not actually going to do anything. He's up in the corner right there. Let's see. So now, first I need to have the first I need to make an AI for this boy, the enemy, and make it pathfind to him, and then I need to make him run away from the bad boy. So, if enemy X is less than node X, here, I'll just get it set up. Else, this is the most basic pathfinding you can ever use. Enemy X is greater than node X. Minus equals 10. Enemy X plus equals 10. So now he will always stay on the right axis, as you can see. Okay, yeah, I'm gonna change his size to something more tolerable, like, I don't know, 11, slightly bigger than. There we go. We got our enemy boy up there, maybe 12. Okay, so now we just need to have it for y-axis right here. So if enemy y is less than node y, then enemy y will change his direction. So it's just simple pathfinding for the enemy, just like that. Okay, now our enemy wants to kill our best friend here. Ah. So, oh, that's why. Enemy. There we go. Now he's actually trying to chase our boy, and I don't think I like it. So now we need, oh wait, that's actually so much worse than I thought. Enemy Y needs to be like 5, because if he isn't, he's going to be way too fast. Interesting. Okay, he's also gonna have 10. Okay, they're both very fast right now, so I'm gonna turn this speed to 100, so maybe we can see this. There we go. So in slow motion, the enemy is slowly coming down here. Our guy is just trying to get some food. I know, no biggie. Okay, they're about to meet right there. Okay, yeah, the enemy's like trying to cut him off because of my very easy pathfinding. Yeah, Mr. Blue has a lot more advanced pathfinding. So now I need to add a death function. So it's going to be if enemy X is equal to node X and enemy Y is equal to node Y, then it will, window, well, I just do, okay, great. Okay, so they're both kind of chasing each other now. I'm going to turn my speed to 1, which is the fastest, and boom, bada, bing, pow. I mean, they're doing pretty good. Oh, there we go, he died. Okay, so now we need to make a function, so, for the AI, our node. Okay, one sec, I just need to have this as enemy node pathfinding. Yeah, this is all the node pathfinding right here. Okay, so now we need to have another. This is basically just all if statements. If enemy X is going to be, this is gonna kind of be like our range, but not really. So I'm gonna call this one run radius. Let run, well, actually run range. Run range equals 100. So if enemy is less than run range, and greater than, and enemy Y is greater than run range. So this is literally just me doing on a, basically what this is doing. Hi, I'm also Coder. Yes, welcome. Basically, what this is going to do is it's going to create an imaginary box around the blue guy, and if red is inside of that box, blue will move in the opposite direction. So if enemy Y is let's see. Their run range is then node y minus run range. Then it's going to be node y. Let's see. Node x plus equals 10. Okay, please work, please work, please work. He's doing good so far. Okay, I take that back. He's not doing that good. And actually, I think that made him worse. Okay, in order to take my name, please. Uh, take. I'm not gonna try and pronounce your name. Sorry. Else if this is going to be node y, plus equals 10. This is just him going up and down. So if it is less than, it needs to go, yeah, that way. So this is just going to be minus equals 10. No, because it's most likely gonna end up in me saying a slur, and I really do not feel like doing that. This is me definitely not nerfing the enemy speed. I have no idea what you're talking about. Well, I mean, he's doing better at just avoiding him. Now I just need to make an X thing. Okay, so I can just copy this over enemy Y. Pretty easy stuff. Oh, wait, no, am I just... Enemy X, enemy X, enemy X. Wait, hold on, yeah. Oh, wrong thing. There we go. Here is our range function. So if enemy X, I can just change all this to X. So he now runs. Yes, we know. I may have gotten that slightly wrong. He wants to kill himself now. Let's see. Why is no one watching? I have no idea. Great question. If enemy X is greater than. Oh, that's why. He wants to get the food, but he also just doesn't want to, die. If I removed this, I'm pretty sure he would be close to fine. Yeah, but then again, he's not paying attention to that, and we want him to pay attention to that, because that guy is mean. How did he not just die? I'm so confused. Well, I guess that can be kind of a thing. So, new idea popped into my brain. What if I made this kind of like a colony? Mr. Timothy here, would like to have some friends. So, how would I do that? Let's see. Well, I mean, fun thing is, if I just removed refresh from right here, this is what's gonna happen. Now you can see every path that he's ever taken. Same with the red guy. This is awfully interesting. Okay, so... Let me just add refresh back. There we go. Now it's a lot more organized. Idea. I'm going to make an array. Let, path equals, okay, there's our array. So it's going to do, interesting. This might be a bit difficult for okay, var, okay, have fun going to sleep. Var L equals 0 as long as L is, let's see. So as long as L is less than, what did I call it? Path dot length, then it will do that. So L plus plus. So as long as it's going to create circles. That's not actually going to do anything yet, because now we just need to path dot push node x node y. That's funny. Okay, so what language am I using? Oh, I'm using JavaScript. How would I do this? I mean, I might be able to get it on the x-axis. Because if this runs through a for loop with the path length, it should create a bunch of circles with that. Oh, okay. Node y. And this needs to be circle. Going to do. No, God, no. Who uses C# except for weird game developers who use Unity? Imagine being a game developer. Imagine not developing AIs. Okay, so let's see. Okay, I'm sorry. This is making me dizzy. Oh gosh. He's very fast. Now, let's add a way to multiply, and you know what I mean by multiply. I mean, he's gotta have a girlfriend, right? So, we're going to do for if I var I is equal to 0, I is less than 10. Can I say all the programming languages? I can try. Okay, so let's see. C#, C++, C, C++, Java, JavaScript, Python, HTML, 4, HTML1, HTML2, HTML3, HTML4, HTML5, CSS. Did I mention JavaScript? Oh yeah, that's a thing. Oh, I guess ASCII dots, which technically isn't. That's kind of more of a category. There's a lot of ones inside of the ASCII dots category, so I guess I can't. I know burn, though. Burn is, like, the definition of cancer. So let children equals 0. Okay, let's see. So, for var I, let's see. So it needs to have children. And it's, let's see. So right now its main goal is just to, like, hop on that food. So what if I made, every time it goes through, every time it gets food, it is going to, crap, it's difficult. If, how much it take to make a game? I don't know. I don't make, well, I kind of make games. I don't, like, actually do games. I like making AIs like this a lot more. It's a lot more fun, in my opinion. I think we need to rack up the speed. Oh, he died again. This is tragic. He needs to, like, stop dying, please. Here, I'm gonna remove the death function real quick. I'm just gonna do slash. I want to see my little boy succeed, okay? I'd be a great parent. You already know it. Oh, how much time? It depends on what game you're making. I made Pong in a single stream. And it was more than Pong. Pong's really easy to make. It depends on what you're making. 3D game, a lot more difficult. If I'm making like a 2D game with just shapes, no graphics, it only takes me like a day. Okay, he's doing good. He just, and I might just let this run overnight. This is like the best thing ever. Let's see. Oh, by the way, join my Discord server. You should definitely join it. Okay. Definitely. Okay, so yeah, it's basically just for code, people that code. Okay, back to this. So he only goes for the food right now. This is going to be a little bit difficult. So every single time he gets food is going to be var next equals math dot seal math dot random. Do stream now because no one's going to see it. Okay, so let's do this times 2. Let's see. Equals math dot seal. These are time zones. Yup. Okay, so now I just need to have an if statement. If what, or no, it's just if what is equal to 1, then it will be this. So 1 will be, he's going to go after the food. 2 is going to be else if next is equal to 2. This will be him multiplying. Hopefully. I really hope this is going to work. I've never actually done something like this. See, with a whole pathfinding AI, it's hard to make it pathfind 2 things at one time. I mean, right now he's just my little baby going around. Like, I mean, he's pretty fast. And you can even see it right here. Like, you can see everywhere he goes. Okay, he would have just died. Okay, yeah, but as you can see, it's like, it's pretty sexy just to watch this. I don't know why, I'm getting mesmerized by this. Okay, back to 10. Or actually, I could make it 1. It doesn't matter. Okay, so if it's equal to 1, it will create a new food. Next equal to 1. So far, it hasn't reached 2. Oh, okay, that's too bad. It's not. It continues to generate food. Oh, yes, that's what happened. That's what happened. Nah, that's what's happening. Okay, so now I need to have up here if next is equal to 1. So now if he doesn't excuse me. Next is not defined. Oh, I didn't make a global I need to make it a global variable. So var next at the top. It's going to start off at 1, bam, just like that. Sometimes, just sometime today, he's not going to have food, okay? Unless I'm just not that smart. var next equals 1, next equals 1, next equals math.ceil, math.random times 2. That should... Oh my god. Oh, okay, I need to be culturally appropriate. Okay, so next equals math.ceil, math.random. Next equals 2, nothing happens. Okay, it goes back, doesn't do that. Now it comes back down and gets new food. Okay, that's what's happening. So, he's being good overall. There we go. Okay, that's what's happening. So, how much does it take to... How much... Like, what do you mean? How much does it take? How much does it take to learn? I've been coding for 4 months. I took a whole semester of coding class for HTML and CSS, and I forgot it, and then I got back into coding a year later, and I learned the same amount of things that I did in that one semester that I did in one day. So, yeah. Okay. Honestly, as long as you have the right person to help you, you're fine. So, it draws the food. Okay, so what happens is, it's not drawing the food, but the food is still there. Yeah, okay. So you just can't see the food, but it's there. So, which is interesting. So I'm just gonna undo that. Undo. Okay, let's see it. So if what we need to do is, this is really difficult. Do I use Blender? I have it. I know how to use it. I just don't use it. Find programming much more fun and relieving. Okay. So we now need to make, let's see it. Oh, yes, you can see my speed autoclicker.zip. I know, it's incredible. Okay, so, let's make it so, I mean, this is just temporary right here. I'm not sure if I'm actually going to go through with this right here, but if I just do node size, every time that he gets one, he's going to get bigger, as you can see. It's incredible. So if I just go into my code, turn that to 1, here, I need to put speed on a whole new area. Make it harder by making him not able to cross himself. That's a good idea. And make hitbox bigger. Good idea. One sec. First, I just want to see him get really large. He's doing good. He just looks like a paintbrush now. He's one quick paintbrush. Jeez. Dude, what the heck? But yeah, not being able to cross yourself is a good idea, but technically, inside of his pathfinding code, he's not going to cross himself either way. Okay, I'm going to remove that at the bottom. Node size ++. Yeah, see? It's never crossing itself. You see? And technically, I removed the death function for that right there. But if I just uncomment this, he can now die. As you can see, his points will reset every time that he hits that. He's getting really lucky. Might be a bug. No, he should still die, though. But, yeah. See, the issue is what happens, he doesn't... when I tried to implement code to make him avoid, the red guy, he broke. Oh, that's what I need to do. I need to make it 5 so we can actually collide. It needs to be a multiple of 10. There you go. See? Now it's basically impossible for him. But again, this is kind of difficult. If I make that 2, it will work just the same. Okay, there we go. So, I it's kind of weird cuz I don't want it to be like extremely hard. I just want it to be kind of hard for the little boy here. So, thinking. Okay, so if I make that 5, as you can see, they go really fast now, and he's dying constantly. So this might be too difficult. So I might be able to make an overwrite function. So if enemy, okay, if enemy X is, I think I want to do able is enemies from AI by X, AI move away, X from enemy. Yeah, I did that before. But the issue is he would get stuck. He would get stuck in little places, and uh because and then he would try and go get the food while the enemy was tracking him, or while okay, sorry, let me read this. He would try and get the food while he was running away from the AI, and then he would go straight out of bounds, and then he would fly around really quickly because of refresh rate. Here, I can do it real quick. So if I is greater than, what's it called? I still have run range here. Run range is 100. So if enemy X is greater than node X plus run range, else if enemy X is less than node X minus run range. I can just copy. I can just do enemy X minus equals 10 is multiple. This would be plus. I can just copy and paste that. Enemy Y. Hold on. You're about to see what happens. Okay, now look. See, this, I mean, it doesn't actually make a difference. If I leave it on one side, it kind of makes a difference. He's doing a little bit better. You know, actually, I need to do something real quick. So, right now, it's ending off, or starting off in a lot of the same ways because of this. So, if I just make this math dot seal, or no, just math dot round, math dot random times 1,200. Actually, I'm just going to make that 500. Same thing with this. So, it's on the left side still. So, now it spawns over on the left. Interesting. Math is not defined. Oh, lower cases. Okay, now it works. Yay. So now he will spawn, the red guy will spawn randomly on that side. Okay, so he's doing a little bit better, my AI guy. He's having a little bit harder time getting the food. Ah, wait, yes, no, I need to do this, and then I need to do times 10. So it's a multiple of 10, and that way he can actually die still. There we go. See? I think you might be able to do if enemy is away. Yeah. So, I mean, yeah, it's definitely a lot better. He's actually trying to avoid the enemy, which is cool. I love that. So, his main priority is still food though, which kinda defeats the purpose, but not really. If I go down to my update, so this is his running. Enemy X is less than or equal to 10. It seems different though. Like, I mean, there's definitely been a behavior change inside of him, inside of Timmy. Okay, now he's just being horrible. Oh, I'm also going to record top score. Try to get the AI to move away from the enemy in the. Ooh, that is a good idea. I'm gonna need a lot of if statements there because I'm too lazy to use case breaks. So, uh, if that's pretty easy though. Food X is uh if food X hmm is less than node X. So that should still work. So yeah, if it's less, then we'll do that again. So that's just working in the F in the direction in that direction this way. So yeah, if the food is over here and he's trying to run this way, yep, I seem to have broken. Oh, I'm stupid. No, don't even say anything. I just did it in the wrong spot. Uh, don't want to talk about it. If in range equals true. Hold on, am I? No, that was the. Wait, I'm so confused right now. 1 second. So if enemy X is in. Yeah, there we go. So there. Wait, no, that's enemy pathfinding. Why did I get enemy pathfinding mixed up in the wrong spot? Oh gosh. Oh, that's why. Okay. God, I gotta mute that conversation real quick. Don't even mind the group name. It's just some nice people. Mm-hmm. So, yeah, this needs to be node, 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 and that needs to be node Y. There we go. So now he runs. Wait, no, this is the exact problem that we experienced before, as you can see, is that he tries to go up and then he just flies around. So how I can do that is if food X is okay, so that's if it is greater than. If it is less than node X, then it will run towards the food. Then else if food X is greater than node X, then it's just going to be node X plus equals 10. Please work, please work, please work. Okay, yeah, see, that's an issue. Because he goes up and then he sees it, then he just doesn't want to run away. Stupid little boy. Okay. Node X. Food X is less than. Hmm. Uh, hmm. See, that's the issue. Food X is less than node X. Then node X will move towards the food. But if it is greater, yeah, you understand, right? It's kind of a difficult situation. I think it's time for a new color scheme. No, no, okay, nope, that's too depressing. Okay. Hmm. Very interesting. Here, if I just move this back to what it was before, it's going to have the same reaction right here, where it just goes up and then goes there. Enemy meets him there. Every once in a while, though, he breaks it, and he actually does what he's supposed to do. As of right now, I'm going to have to comment this out because I don't exactly understand. So, it's okay. I'll get back to it sooner or later. Unless this is real. Okay, he's actually that desperate. He, like, really needs some help there. So, first of all, the first thing is that he's not supposed to have the range of sight as 2000. He's supposed to have 200, which leaves him running around randomly until he turns blue and he's able to get it. So, okay, so, he's doing even worse now than he was before, so I guess I'm just gonna give him that handicap. Okay, so let's see. If enemy X is greater than, is less than, this would be greater than, less than. Please work. Interesting. And that is just giving us spam reloads. Yay! So there he goes. Here, I'm gonna slow it down a bit. Maybe to like 100. The heck? Did I just change the wrong thing? Yep, I did just change the wrong thing. 100. There we go. So, basically is he sees that the food is there. So he sees that the food is there. Make it where he can't change directions so suddenly. Could help with the randomness. Okay. Make it so he can't change directions so suddenly. What do you mean by that? Because, oh, I just figured out the issue. The issue isn't him. It's the enemy. The enemy is built to be the the enemy just uses a couple lines of code that I developed not too long ago. Really simple. Technically I didn't develop them, but that basically makes him have the perfect AI. So it's not Timmy's fault. Timmy's just doing his job. So yeah, it's not the enemy, or it's not him. It's the enemy. So I'm just gonna comment this out real quick. Okay, so I'm gonna turn the speed down to 10, which technically means up to 10, but okay, so all I gotta do is just make Mr. Red Boy here just slightly less smart. But I also do want to make it so he can't go that far. He has to start over on the very, very side. Makes it a little bit fair. Glitch Prods, do you agree with what I said? That it's just how the enemy is built to be the perfect AI? The enemy's objective is very clear. It's to go after Mr. Blue here, Mr. Tim. But Blue doesn't have the idea that the enemy wants to kill him. But Tim doesn't want to. Tim just wants to get his food. So, what I need to do is add a hint of randomness to the enemy. So it's not very straightforward. So, I can not so easily do that just by doing if enemy in range equals true. Oh, actually, I'll make this. So I'm going to add a range to him. If he is not in range, then he will. Oh God, what I do? So if he's not in range, then he won't do that. So okay, let node in range equals false. Oh hi, yeah. Hello, Joshua Duncan. Thank you for being a big fan. I do like my big fans. They are I like specifically the one on my ceiling because it makes me cool when I am not cool. So equals false. So if node in range is equal to false. Okay, so if it is equal to false, then it will. I can just borrow some code from up here. If wow, that was easy. Okay, enemy move next. Enemy move next. Next. Enemy move next. You guessed it. Enemy move. It's got to rename all the variables, which sucks. Enemy. And I also need to change all these to 5 instead of 10 because 10 is how fast, not the enemy moves. 5. Plus equals 5. There we go. Plus equals 5. Okay, there we go. So he's just got some randomness. Technically, there's no in range for him. There's only out of range. I also need to give him that handicap back right here, so it's 50. There you go. Let's see. So, now I need to have if node x. Okay, one sec. Let enemy I'll give him enemy range of 100. It says big fan immediately leaves. Yeah. If node x is oh my crap. If node x is greater than so if it is greater no, wait. Confusion. I need to get the pathfinding. I'm just gonna steal some of the pathfinding code from here. Oh, I can remove that now. Okay, so if it is greater than enemy x plus, plus, and then enemy range. There we go. Then it will do node in range equals true. Else if enemy, node x is less than. I'm having a lot of fun this time. Minus enemy range. Then it'll be. Then I just need to have else node in range equals false. Okay, there we go. Let's see. I need to have an enemy color equals, so his standing color is going to be pink. Please work, please work. There we go. I mean, technically I haven't implemented him not being angry. So it's going, enemy color equals red. Okay, so red is going to show us that he is angry and wants to, get revenge. Red, pink. See, it's just a lot better for our boy here. Okay, I'm gonna actually have the randomness up to 10. 10 per move. So it's a little bit more fair because we want to have this not that biased. That's interesting. That's really interesting. If node in range is equal to node in range is equal to false. Huh. Okay. So it's kind of working. I don't know exactly why he's just bumping up and down, which might make it impossible for him to actually score. But now it feels a little bit more biased inside of our beloved Timothy's favor. Let's see. Yeah, okay, so he's just bumping up and down, which is weird. So if node in range is equal to true, so if it is equal to there, it's equal to false. So if it is equal to false, then we'll do that. Oh, that's why. I'm very smart. This is if he is in range, which is his actual speed. This is if he's just looking around with our random moves. 10. Yay, there we go. It's fixed. As you can tell, I'm just the smartest man on planet Earth. Also, that pink just does not fit his color. Okay, let me try and find a new color. Color red. Is there literally anything other than red? Orange. Orange red. There we go. That's a good color. I hope it doesn't look exactly like it's the food color though. Okay. Orange red. There, that's a great color. Okay. There we go. We can now tell whenever he's just randomly searching and whenever he's actually locked on. This feels a lot more fair. I mean, it's not entirely... It's not... 34, 35. It's pretty good. Okay, I'm going to have a top points now. So, let top points. Okay, so... Where's the death function? Why do I make such messy code? There we go, death function. Top points equals... Oh, but I can't have it like that. Okay, so top points equals points. Points equals 0. That should work, right? Okay, so, but I actually need an if points is greater than top points, then it will make top points greater than points. Great, okay. I'm going to ask you a riddle real quick. There's an infinite number with an infinite digits and secret infinite letter sequence, but only uses infinite letters A and B, but also has... Which is the... I'm gonna go with, since they're both infinite, they are both the same. And judge me if I'm wrong, because I have no idea what you just said, so... Okay. There. Oh, wait, he died. Okay, that's good. Or which sequence has more combinations? Oh, that would be the... Well, they would both have the same amount of combinations, because they're both infinite. Am I right? Okay, let's see this. So I want Timmy to die real quick, and then his top points be recorded. Okay, could Timmy, like, please just die? Okay, okay, I need to make a Timmy speed. Node speed. Oh god, I hate killing off my beloved. Let node speed equals 10. Please work, please work, please work. Sir, you're literally in range of Timmy. How could you? You're just letting him win. Okay, there we go. Okay, come on. Come on. You can do this. You can do this. Why is he better now? Here. I just need to test top points, please. I actually regret doing that. Node speed 10. Bam! Back to normal speed. Oh, top points equals 5. There, well, I mean, at least it works, right? Let's sequence down. Different. Okay, I was close. Okay. Okay, come on, Timmy, just die real quick. Okay, okay, there we go, that worked. Okay, so I'm gonna make the enemy a little bit more difficult because 50 is way too much. But first, I need to just make my experiment. Speed equals 1, so now it is really fast and it can just go run like a simulation. 13. There we go. Okay, so how about whenever he's randomly moving around, wait, what? Just tweaking some numbers. It's always what I like to do. There you go. You see that? He's like moving around really, really violently. I don't think he enjoys that. Okay. Right here is, he's moving around by 10 each time, which means that he's exact same speed as Timmy. I really thought that being the exact same speed would help him, but I guess it's just making him unable to cut Timmy off. I'm gonna undo that. I just realized how crazy this would look to someone that doesn't even understand what this is. I just realized that. Just a bunch of dots moving around. Speaking of that, every once in a while I just love to remove this refresh and see how it goes. Okay, let's see it. Completely automated drawing. Imagine. Why are they not going down here? Okay, bug fixing time. Oh, I know, that would actually be in this code right here. So food x equals 120. Okay, I'm mainly worried about this. 70. Okay, now that went too low right there. I know it did, because he went off the map. Okay, he's good now. The the numbers just got right there. Okay, let's see. I guess that's good. Okay, I'm just gonna remove refresh. Wee. Okay, now points, top points. This is just like crunching some Sims. Top points 63. I honestly wouldn't be surprised if he got near 100. How long have I been streaming for? I've been streaming for almost 2 hours. Nice. Okay, again, you should definitely join this Discord server. It's just so satisfying to watch. Hmm. It's also probably worth mentioning that my laptop is burring, like, hard. Like, real hard. It's probably because it's refreshing this canvas at, like, 300 million miles a second. I know, it's incredible. I'm gonna break down some of the movements. So if I turn that to 1000, which is one every second. So first, he gets in range of that guy. Wait, that's not right. I thought I put his range at, something else. Hold on, first let me move these parameters to the top. So yeah, enemy range is 100. Enemy range is 100. Okay, so if enemy is all the way over there, that is not 100. That is almost definitely not 100. So, they're also both going for it. I might also need to fix that refresh rate. So let's see. If node X is greater than enemy X plus enemy rate. Okay, that's right. Else if node X is less than that's what I did. I have it for only X, not just Y. So, if node Y, enemy Y. Can't believe I didn't notice that. I should have noticed that, because I literally went over it. Okay, now it should work fine. He's moving around not that randomly. Start point. Orange means he's looking around randomly. Here, I'm just gonna go to the top. Change that to 100. Okay, now. Now it just feels unfair. Oh god. Okay, I'm gonna change enemy range to 1000. 2000. Now that's another bug. Okay. Hmm. If enemy range is greater than, if node Y is greater than enemy Y. Okay, that actually needs to be it needs to be less than. Okay, maybe I can just copy this right here. Let's see. Where did I put that? If node Y is less than, Y is greater than. Interesting. Here, I'll just change both of these to see how it works out. So plus, there we go. So if node X is less than enemy Y plus enemy range. Okay, yep, that's good so far. If node X is greater than enemy, okay, that puts it in the X-axis. Now, if node Y is greater than enemy range, or enemy Y plus enemy range, no, that would not be it. Yes, there we go. Just a couple wrong operators, that's all. Change that to 10. Okay, we now have an invincible red player. Now, I kind of want to make this a learning AI. And in order to do that, I need to have it be, you know, learning. So, I've done this once before, and it's not exactly learning, it's more of just progressive enhancement. So, node range is going to start at 100. Enemy range is going to start at 100. As you can see, they're kind of just random right now. Interesting though. Enemy range is 100, but this is taking it and still going. Another bug. So, making this a learning AI is going to be difficult. If node X is, plus enemy range. This is weird, because I want the enemy to learn too. Interesting. So if I make enemy range 10, let's say. Yeah, it shouldn't be chasing after it. So I need to get the food for this. Okay, so that's the food. That's the food finder. Okay, so that is the if statement. Else, okay, if, so I just need to change all the food. Node Y going to be enemy. This should work fine. Enemy Y. So it's just giving the enemy a hitbox range. Okay, what's it going to do? It's going to take, first of all, right now it should just be running. Yeah, okay, there we go. It's going to be node in range equals true. Enemy color equals red. Else is going to take these. Node in range equals false, and it is going to go to orange red. There we go. So both of these guys are going to, oh wait, I also need to have it not be able to go outside. So if enemy Y is less than 0, or enemy Y is greater than c dot height, then it's going to enemy Y equals c dot height divided by 2. If enemy X is greater than or less than 0, or enemy X is greater than c dot width times or divided by 2. Okay, there we go. And it's going to be enemy x is equal to c dot width divided by 2. There we go. Perfect. Well, actually, not perfect because I did the wrong brackets. Yay. So that just makes it if it goes out. So now we actually need to make them learn. But first, I need to find out what's this bug. Okay, syntax error, unexpected token. Okay, where's that? There we go. Easy. Now everything works fine. Now to make it actually learning is I need to put in the range. Node range. So they're both going to start at 100. And every time the enemy gets him is going to be enemy enemy range plus, how fast do I want this to go? Plus equals, here I want to make a const sim speed, const evo speed equals, I'll just make it 100 for now. So it's going to be plus, so that's just how fast they'll evolve. Equals evo speed. There we go. And every time he gets food, it will be node range plus equals evo speed. Okay, we now have a learning AI who is slightly, I mean, they're both stupid. They're both really stupid. That's the enemy. Oh no. There it is. This is the dumbest AI ever. There we go, nice. Okay, there's definitely a bug there. Let me see it. Error? No error. Just like a me error. Okay, so it is in the x-axis of the enemy tracing. So if node x, enemy range, let's see. Okay, that's all in order. If, I mean, no, it's fine. They both just evolved. Okay. It's interesting. I mean, they technically are evolving. That's really nice. Okay, so... Oh, I landed that simulation. Why am I that dumb? I'm also going to turn down the text size because it's hurting my eyes with the boldness. There we go, that's better. No. 35, 35. Okay, so... I'm also going to make this, brown, which actually technically isn't even the real color. It does not look like brown at all. It's like red. There we go. Looks a lot better, a lot more distinct from the white. Let's see. So node color is always going to be white when it's clueless. I'll just make it light blue. Oh, I'm dumb. Light blue. And if it is... There we go, that's a lot more pleasant. Okay. Learning AI. Here, gotta change it from pathfinding AI to learning. There we go. Okay, so now it's learning. I mean, it looks horrible. Okay, there's definitely a bug inside of the enemy pathfinding. If node in range equals true. Uh, Enemy X. Because he's just going right there. He's not moving to the side. So, if enemy X is less than node Y. Okay, that should be pushing it to the side. But, again, it's not. So, that's an interesting bug. That's why. It has to do with the new function I implemented. It's right here. That's what it is. Oh, yeah. Okay, now everything works fine. Okay, so let's see. So again, it's a learning AI. If I left them overnight, I bet they would go really fast. Okay. Let generation equal 0. I'll make a new text right here. Next will be 100. It's just generation, and then okay, generation. Actually, generation needs to start at 1. Generation 1 is going to be. There we go. So Gen 1. Okay, right now they both don't even know how to do anything. This is most likely what it's always going to look like for the start. Generation 3. Okay, yeah, he just took off some exponential growth. There we go. Oh, wow. Yeah, he's on it now. Generation 23, yeah. It really pops off after that, but again, it's right here. It's in Evo speed. Or just how fast it will move. Or how fast it goes around. Const. Const speed. Okay, if I made this 10, if I made that 10, that would be how fast they evolve. Oh no, okay. This is about how much it's gonna look like for the start, because again, they're both learning. It's really interesting though. I'm not gonna lie, this is really interesting. Okay. I need to have should I have a death counter and a food counter? Let deaths equal 0. Let food equal 0. Okay, now I just need to have more text. This is going to be deaths. Okay. Kind of working. Not really. Death. There we go. Okay, so right down here, if he gets caught, then it will be deaths plus plus. It's going to be food plus plus. Okay, now, great. There's a lot of information now. He now can learn, which is good. It's a bit hard to tell. Oh, yeah, his deaths are just racking up at the start. Oh, God. You can't even see them right now. I'm gonna make them black. Here, text color. I'll just make a new variable called text color in case I want to change it again. Text color. Text color. Text color. Text color. Const text color equals const. There we go. Actually, that looks pretty good. Okay. Here, I'll join this. Are they still calling? Aww. Okay, so food's right there. Okay, now deaths are just racking up. See, that's a slight, tiny, not very minuscule issue. At the start, the deaths go so far up. Deaths. Okay, let's leave it to run for a little bit. It's only Gen 2. No. Okay, well right now, I mean if I make the evolution speed like 10,000, that's going to be so much. Like as soon as they get that, as soon as he gets that, it's going to be game over for that guy. Yeah. Yeah, that's what happens with evolution speed. Food 16, 18 points, top points. Hmm. Deaths are 11, which isn't very good. They both just understand where to go. What if I added an energy meter? Or like for the because it's a bit unfair for our never mind. It's generation 103, 105, 108. Pretty easy to tell what generation it is. Here, I'm gonna make it just Gen. I'm also gonna do if he goes right there. And this is just going to be generation plus plus. Okay, now let's see it. Yep, gen speed is just so high. Let's see. I can use a bunch of independent variables to set the parameters, but that might that's gonna be very complicated. It's easy, just complicated and it takes a long time. Food 36. Okay, I'm gonna make the evolution speed back to 10, which is like what it should be. So let's see. I'll just make this node plus Please. Okay, I did type that right. Great. Gen 3. It's all good. They're not doing very well. Oh, God. When that happens, that's just so sad. Okay, so yeah, he can't really go anywhere because the enemy won't get off him. So I'm going to make the default enemy range. Let's see. Enemy range is going to be, screw it. It's going to be 10 and this is going to be 20. They're both going to start off as babies, okay? Oh, he's right next to the food. Okay. Let's see. So yeah, I mean they're running. Hmm. Uh Still generation 1. They're not very smart. So, anyway guys, I'm gonna end up the stream now. Thank you guys so much for watching. It's been a very good time doing this, and I'll see you guys next time. Later.